Hello everybody, this is Maria D, bringing you the Wreath Lock. I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to install a wreath lock on the wreath of your choice. So first we're going to take the wireframe wreath and we're going to flip it to the back. Then we're going to locate a crossbar just like this one. Then you're going to take your wreath lock hook and flip it upside down. Once you do this, you're going to pass your wreath lock hook through either side of the crossbar just like this. Once you do this, you're going to let your wreath fall into place. As you can see, there is no exit. This is what makes the wreath lock different from traditional wreath hooks. Once you do this, you're going to locate the door of your choice and place the wreath lock on the door. Once your door is locked and closed, your wreath will no longer be able to be easily removed. So this is how easy it is to install the wreath lock on your door. Thank you for watching and have a great day.